93% of online experiences start with a search engine. Every day, millions of people use the internet to search for restaurants, hotels, spas, or other products or services that they are interested in. They use search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo, where they type what they are looking for and they instantly get a page with results related to their keywords. Statistics show that over 70% of people click on only the top 3 results. So, if you aren't in the top 3, it's most likely you won't get a lot of traffic from the search engines. The situation gets even worse if you aren't on the first page. It's like you don't even have a website. And that's where we come in. Through search engine optimization, we increase your website's rankings in Google until we hit the #1 spot for the keywords that we target. Then, we work on maintaining that spot. But here's something that you must know. An SEO campaign has the highest return on investment of all internet marketing activities, in excess of 500%. This means that for every dollar that you spend, you get $5 back. Don't you think your business could benefit from such a profitable investment? Let's start working on your SEO campaign and grow your business starting today.